In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills online with PNC Bill Pay. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to manage all those monthly expenses more efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's get started by ensuring we have everything we need for a smooth experience. First and foremost, you'll need a PNC Bank checking account. This is the foundation for making payments through PNC Bill Pay. Next, you'll want access to PNC Online Banking, either through their website or the PNC mobile app, to manage your payments on the go. Lastly, make sure you have your biller details ready. We're talking about the name, address, account number, and any other pertinent information for the individuals or organizations you plan to pay. Now let's dive into using PNC Online Banking through the web. Begin by heading over to pnc.com. Look for the Sign On button at the top of the home page. This is where you'll log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Bill Pay section, which you can easily find on the main menu or dashboard. The next step is adding a biller. This is a one-time setup for each new payee. Click on Add a company or person to pay. A new window will prompt you to enter the necessary information, such as the company name and account number. Make sure everything's correct before clicking Next to save this biller to your list. With your biller set up, it's time to schedule a payment. Select the biller from your list and input the payment amount. Don't forget to specify the delivery date, which is when you'd like your payment to be processed. You can choose the account you'd like to pay from if you have multiple options. After verifying these details, click Submit to schedule your payment. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to review all the details. Ensuring accuracy here can prevent any billing misunderstandings. Once everything checks out and you've submitted your payment, you'll receive a confirmation number. It's a great idea to jot down this number for your records. Now let's talk about payment timing. Be aware that electronic payments usually take about 1-2 business days to process. However, if a check is required, it could take a bit longer, approximately 5 to 7 business days. Timing is key, so plan your payments accordingly to avoid any late fees or service interruptions. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your monthly bills using PNC Bill Pay. It's a simple yet highly effective way to handle your finances, giving you more time to focus on other things that matter. Thank you for watching, and happy bill paying.